we're gonna move to the next one, ceiling. Okay, so just for your information, na if you want to round the number up to the nearest multiple specified by the user, or this one, automatically parang i-round up niya. Okay, ang formula na gagamitin po natin for that is ceiling. Okay, ceiling. Okay, ceiling. So ceiling number, comma, significant. So let's say yung significant natin is 1. Yung nearest 1 niya is yan, 3. So yan po siya. Okay? So let's say gusto nating nearest 5 naman niya. Okay, equals ceiling number, comma, 5. So let's say pag 5, ano mangyayari? Ayan, ibig sabihin itong 1.2 na to, itong number natin, ang pinaka-closest number niya divisible by 5 is 5. So let's say ito is 13 for example, equals ceiling equals ceiling labuyo, comma, significant. So let's say 20. Ayan, pinaka-nearest niya 20. So it's up to you kung ano po yung gusto nyong gamitin. Let's say puro nearest 20 siya. Ayan, ito 20 dahil nalapit siya sa 20. Actually, same value siya. 25, nearest value niya is 40. Ganun din po dito. So yan lang po siya, ceiling. Alright, so I think